Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you how I learned English, what I used to do in my beginning days and what I did to learn this language. Today in this video, I am talking about, so guys watch this video till the end, don't skip this video. First, I will clear you guys, many people think like learning English is very difficult. But trust me, it is not. It is not true, nothing else. You need to write method, you need to regular practice. This is very significant to learn this language. Okay, so guys, here I will give you 3 steps that steps helped me a lot learn this language, okay, in my beginning days. So that 3 steps here I will share with you, so watch this video till the end and don't skip this video. If you guys follow these 3 steps, literally you can change the way you learn English, literally. And guys, if you really want to become a fluent speaker, if you really want to speak this language very confidently, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's start with first step. First step is learn by listening. Yes guys, within 2 months, within 3 months, if you think like I will learn this language, yeah, you can, but only 2 steps you will have to work. You will have to work only 2 steps. First one is listening and the second one is speaking. Yes, learn by listening. What you have to do? First one is, guys, listening English songs. You have to listen English songs, English movies and English short videos. Okay, start watching English movies, start listening English songs. This is very significant. Okay, so guys, if you listen English songs, you will start noticing your pronunciation is improving, literally, if you listen English songs. That's why first step is learn by listening. Okay, second step is speak slowly and daily. Speak slowly and daily. Okay, so any passage, any topic, you have to take and try to speak. If you don't have much knowledge to grammar, so you try to speak small sentences. After 10 days you try to speak big sentences. Okay, so now this is your beginning days. If you are start speaking from today, so if you don't know everything in English, so you try to speak little bit first day, and the second day you try to speak little bit much. Third step is learn basic spoken English rules. One spoken English rules daily you have to learn. Okay, regular you need to learn one spoken English rules. Special structures you need to learn. Okay, these 3 steps is very practical steps, and guys, anyone can follow them at home. You can also follow these steps at your home. You don't need to go somewhere. Okay, only at your home with your mobile you can learn this language. Okay guys, so guys, we will meet next video. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment box, and if you dislike this video, please tell me in the comment box. Okay, thanks for watching this video.